Hello, my friends. So, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. And now, so I just jumped out of my bed in the last 5 minutes and immediately I go to this platform. Yeah, I've never told you before this platform because I I the explorer of it. So now I would like to show you, I would like to expose how I improve my English through this platform. Okay, so let's check it out.
Yeah. Can you hear me and see me?
Yeah, of course, your voice is audible and really clear over there.
Yeah. Are you from Indonesia?
Yeah, I learner from Indonesia.
I'm from London.
I mean like
Some-
English learner.
I
Yeah.
also English learning. Yeah. I come from China. Nice to talk with you.
You from China?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice to meet you. Yeah,
I think you should have worked already.
yeah.
And your job need to speak English?
Of course. Yeah.
We are the same kind of situation.
If actually I have two reasons why I learn English. The
Yeah.
first one,
Understand.
the first one, my
No, no. I I changed the country. I was thinking in Filipinas, but because in Filipinas they speak a little of Spanish, but this is Indonesia different. I'm from Colombia.
You from Colombia?
Yeah, I'm from Colombia. And what more? I'm from Colombia. I'm from the capital of Colombia.
Yeah.
Is Bogota. Bogota is the capital.
Yeah.
Where are you from? Of what city of your country?
Yeah. So basically, I'm from Indonesia. So I live in the capital city, which means Jakarta.
Jakarta. Yeah, I hear that name. Jakarta, yeah?
Yes.
Jakarta.
Jakarta. Yeah.
Oh, very interesting.
Hello, John.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, but yeah.
I cannot hear you.
I can hear you, boy. I can hear you, boy. I mean, like,
I
but
see you're speaking, but I cannot hear you.
really,
Okay, you can hear me. That's weird. I cannot hear you at all.
I mean,
Let me test if it's my computer or something. Sound comes from YouTube. I have some from YouTube, but not from episode. That's weird. Yeah, I think so. Sometimes there is issue with audio. I had audio issues with audio. For the last 2 months. Okay, that's bad. I guess we'll need to wait until the meeting gets over.
yeah. Wait a minute. Before before we go to the platform, so this is actually so okay. The starting. So I need to wait for a couple of seconds after the count is down. Look at the minute. So I am waiting for a couple of seconds. So I waiting this countdown, and And so let's see. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Hello, brother.
Hello, brother. How are you?
Perfect. How are you, Mr. Yuan?
Yeah, I'm Yon.
Tirega?
Where are you from?
How are you? I'm from Indonesia.
You are? No, I don't think so. You from Indonesia.
I'm from Kalimantan.
Are you really? So here I am. This is I am. Isn't it? Okay. Okay, I think it's pretty similar. Yeah. So after you see me talking with people with another background, with another background from another country, from another age, another pronunciations, but most of them just to improve English. The goal is improve English no matter what, no matter with the age, no matter with the how old are you, and then someone just really young, someone just really old, and no matter, learn English doesn't determine you have to stop, have to retire after you're old. No, learn English is a must. Learning is something that we up to. Yeah, as you say before, there was a guy. So he has been 75 years old, but he keep improving. I thunderstruck when he answered me that really confident, and wow, I would really regret with my nowadays is for waste of time, waste of everything, waste of opportunity, because those are not coming twice. So I really appreciate with a lot of opportunity, a lot of time when God gives to me. And yeah, and also this is the interesting moment when I brought up my note to her, because I say before I have learned English since 2 years, and then I bring my book up, and my book was visible to her. And then, you know, guys, the interesting part, she also was write down the vocabulary or on her note, even though she has been working about 17 years old, which means really further from the gap than me. I'm getting to the second years of working, but I say before, no matter with the age, no matter with the old, but we need to improve no matter with anything. I think this is very important to speak to you out loud, because we have a lot of time, we have a lot of opportunity to use. So don't coming with I don't have a reason, I don't have a motivation, I don't have any motivations to study with English, I don't have anything, that's it. Just keep forward, just keep forward, little by little, and you will realize it later after you do it frequently, after you do it discipline. Thank you.